Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see what Google Forms you submitted. So if I scroll down here and we click on submit, as you can see, a copy of a response will be emailed to you. Okay, so I've submitted this and our response has been recorded. Now if I come back here to emails, you'll see here it says Google Forms and I'll be able to see what I actually filled in, right? So it's very easy. Just go to your email and type in Google Forms, and you're basically searching for all the forms you filled. So here you'll be able to see all the different forms you filled, and you should have multiple. Then you just go ahead and click on that specific email, okay, and see what you filled in. And you can also go ahead and view your score. Click on that option. If that was auto graded, as you can see, I got 6 out of 6. And it's really that easy and simple.